Last week, Adobe unveiled Generative Fill, its new Photoshop tool that lets users modify their images using text prompts or extend image backgrounds. The tool is powered by Adobe's new AI software called Firefly, and it's available during beta testing through the desktop app. Art history enthusiasts are having fun exploring artwork beyond the frame, though some worry about how the tool can distort an artist's original vision. It's important to note that Adobe Firefly is only trained on the Adobe stock library, so it avoids any criticism of art theft or copyright violations. But after playing with the tool, it's clear that there are some kinks that need to be worked on before it's completely reliable. It's pretty easy to get started with Generative Fill. After downloading the app, choose the areas you want to work on and start messing around. The challenge is getting the right output you want. Inspired by a tweet featuring an expanded field of Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night, this example tried to get the software to imagine what lies beyond the four edges of some famous artworks. Generative Fill can also work with text-based prompts, but if you just select the empty area surrounding your image and click Generate, the tool will do its best to extend the image based on the available information. You can see how it was more successful with an M.C. Escher lithograph compared to Thomas Eakins' portrait of Dr. Samuel D. Gross, the Gross Clinic. In the latter, a creepy Francis Bacon-esque figure appears in the bottom left corner. The software has a unique way of interpreting images, but it's not without its flaws. While it struggles with portraiture and the body, it can do some impressive things with the backgrounds. This example shows their reimagination of Lord's melodrama album cover and found that, with a little effort, it can produce some funky and cool results. The Generative Fill tool is similar to Crayon, the free access AI image generation tool that became popular last summer. It supplies 3 different iterations in one pass, and the generative quality can give images a dreamy, uncanny feeling. But the fine-tuning is necessary to create a well-rounded image with indistinguishable manipulations. Overall, Generative Fill brings us closer to realizing what we thought was confined to our mind's eye. With a bit of creativity, this tool can create some captivating and imaginative images reminiscent of the work of Edward Hopper, Yves Tanguy, and Simone Stollenhag. It's strange to think that with the latest update, Photoshop may be inadvertently pushing itself out of the game. Instead, it offers an option to describe what you want, freeing users from relying on memory and hours spent watching tutorials. But while we could all use AI to streamline boring resume reading, we shouldn't overlook an industry of hardworking people who deserve more credit for their art. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or thoughts, leave them in the comments below.